Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, y'all know I recently have taken up diamond painting, and some of y'all didn't know what it was until I told you about it. I found out about it about a couple years ago, and I never in 1,000 years thought I'd be doing this. Even though I love arts and crafts and things, I couldn't see myself placing dot by dot by dot to finish a whole picture. But I do it and I love it. But anyway, this is what I'm working on now. Gorgeous Christmas tree. Okay, and I'm going to show you how I can place more than one drill or bead. They call the beads drills. So, this is how you get started. Okay, I have a light pad. I found that I need this so I can see. I can see all the symbols and numbers and letters better. Okay, I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. And this is something else I needed. I needed the kit that came with these little bottles. So, each kit comes, each diamond painting set comes with everything you need to work with, but you get these kind of things. The trays and the piece of wax and the drill pen. But you need other stuff. And all the other stuff you need comes in this kit. This is a kit by Art Dot. I bought this with my own money, but they did give me a code, so you can save 10% if you decide to buy anything from them. Okay, use the code that I'll put in my description box. It don't have to just be for this. It can be for anything. You might want to buy the light pad. They got an Art Dot light pad. Anyway, this is how you get started. Assemble your stuff, y'all. Okay, I've already seen on here that I want to use the color S. That's number 13, so I got out my vial number 13. I number all these vials, then I just put in the appropriate color. Okay. I'm getting started, y'all. You need, this is the best kind of drill tray that I found. They send them little green ones, but I like this because it got the funnel. And let me show you what I put in the funnel part. Where is it at? Okay, I don't see it. Did I put it in here? Yep, I put it in here. Okay, they give you these little things to go on your pencil to help with the grip. So I just cut it and I put that in the funnel so the beads don't come out the tray when I put them in the tray. Okay, this is how. Put the beads in here. I put the top with the number on it where I can readily see it, because I've been and forgot what color I'm working on, what letter I'm working on. But I have to look at that and then look at the table or the key. So you have to shake these, because you want all of these to, you want them to line up, as many as possible. So you just shake it. If you can get a bunch of lines in these grooves, then that's what you want. So I put this stopper in here so they ain't shooting out that way. Okay. So you don't want to put one of these beads in upside down on your painting. It ain't going to sit right for one, then it ain't going to sparkle, because the bottom side of these not shiny. Just a faceted top. So these in nice little grooves. Okay, so I'm going to peel back this plastic. So I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Angle this downward. Okay, peel the plastic back. I'm going to take out these bracelets because the dangle gets in the, it gets stuck. Some people section off their stuff. Okay, I can either hold this with the clip. Let's see what I do. I got a blob of, you'll see, I got some wax right here. I just stick that right there. So it'll stick. So it'll stay there. And handy. Oh, I need my specs. Even with the light pad, I need to see. Okay. I got S. Okay. The other video I made, I was using dot by dot by dots. Let me take these off. Okay, so I'm going to pick up, okay, I got some wax. This is the 4 multi-placer. I got them up to 10. This is the 10 multi-placer. But I'm going to show you with the 4 first. Okay. I got to hold this up close so y'all can see. This is how I was shown by Mrs. Coffee. I'll put the link to her channel. Okay. You place the drill, the drill pin, that end of it. You go for your first bead. Press down. So this picked up 3. Let me try this again. Usually this is sitting down somewhere. Okay, I'll do it again. You go to the first bead, you put the tip of it, and then go straight. You pick up 4 beads at a time. Can you see that? And you find where you're supposed to place them. Y'all see what I'm doing? Okay, I'm putting down the first bead, and then I'm going straight down. So all beads are placed at one time. So the way you pick them up in here is the way you're going to place them down on the painting. Picked up 4 more beads. Place that first one down, and then this press. Look how many I placed already. Picked up 4 more. I'm not sure what y'all seen. And that way you can keep them in a straight line too. Don't look like y'all can see. Ooh, it's sticky. My daughter is getting ready to start diamond painting. My daughter Melanie. So it's daughter number 2. Okay, I'm placing this first. I don't know if y'all can see. And then this mesh. If it ain't right, just do it over and get it right. me see. I don't know if I can show y'all what I'm doing better this way. Okay, I'm placing this first bead right here, and then I'm just mashing. That's all there is to it. Now, to get in a place like there, this will pick up one bead too. Even though it's a 4 placer, you pick up 1. You can pick up 2. If you're in between 2 numbers or 2 different colors, she explained it so well. Y'all just have to go to her channel. I wish I could explain it, and her camera work is so much, is nice. Okay, I just picked up 2. I'm trying to see what y'all see. Okay, here's 2 of the color. So I'm going to place that empty spot. See, the 2 beads are in the center. I'm going to place this center, that empty spot on the end, I'm going to place it over this bead and then mash, because I had 2 empty spots. So pick up 2 more. Okay, let me see where else I can place this. Okay, let me place this. Here are 2 spots, and there's a space, there's a bead on each side of those 2 spots. So I'm going to place, see, it's 2 empty spots over here. So I'm going to place these 2 empty spots over these 2 beads that are already on here. Place that over there, and then mash straight down. And that filled in them 2 spots. I hope y'all get the gist of what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to go to my number 10 multi-placer. Gotta hold 10 beads at one time, y'all. Okay, let me get this. And like I said, you pick up the beads. You place one end down. And this, I picked up 10 at one time. See that? Okay, press one end down, just like you picked them up, and press. I put 10 at one time, y'all. That sure beats doing it bead by bead by bead, like I did in my other video. Bead by bead by bead. But this works too. And I did 2 of my first 2 diamond paintings, bead by bead by bead. But this is so much faster. So I just had to show y'all what I learned on YouTube University. Miss Coffee. Like I said, I'll put her link in my description box to this video. And she explains it so well. And she got the good camera work to follow up. So, when y'all see this painting again, it'll be finished. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's my newest one. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Bye, y'all. Be blessed.